This is the Breville Barista espresso machine, and let me just show you how absurdly easy it is to start making espresso. It literally has everything you need to start built in. Grinder, milk frother, shot puller, tamp, and a ton of extras you won't even need until you get more advanced. It's super simple to get set up with it. Just pull it out of the box, insert the water filter, fill her up, pour in some beans, and plug it in. Give it one good purge by turning on the steam, and also pouring an empty shot, and you'll be good to go. They've preset all the settings for the basics, so you can get started right away. Just place the portafilter in the grinder slot, and it'll start automatically. Then tamp it down, and insert it into the group head and pull a shot. That's it. And if you want milk froth, then just put the steamer rod into some milk and turn it on. And make sure you wipe it off immediately, otherwise that milk gets pretty hard to wipe off. What I really appreciate about this machine is that it has storage for pretty much every item that it comes with, so you won't lose them. And Breville also makes several online videos to help you along the way as you become more advanced.
Increase your grind size.
Here's the grinder, which you can set from more coarse to fine coffee to really dial in that shot. As a general rule of thumb, you want to follow the 1:2 ratio. About 19 grams per 2 shots, and your shot pull to be about 20 to 30 seconds. And it all depends on the coffee you use, but in general, fresh whole bean dark roast coffees will really make this a lot easier. And even if you don't have the absolute perfect shot or times right, as soon as you add milk, it pretty much cancels out any bad taste that you might be having, and it tastes great. A common trend I've seen over time is that people say the grinder on the Barista espresso doesn't always get the best grind, and they eventually graduate to a fancier grinder. But you really don't have to do that. It's fine. It's also a fairly large machine, but it definitely fits under the counter if you want it. Just keep in mind the water container is in the back, which can be a little awkward to get to, but thankfully Breville thought of this and it's removable. So overall, what I really like about the Barista espresso is that it's kind of a catch-all machine that's great for beginners and grows with you over time once you start getting a little more advanced. Hopefully you don't get the coffee bug, but it's going to be a lot of fun. So hope that was helpful. See you later. Bye.